Jezebel. A woman who is seen as scheming or morally loose. Example: some people called her a Jezebel because she often manipulated people to get what she wanted. Lech. A person who behaves in a sexually inappropriate way, usually towards women. Example: he kept staring at her in a creepy way, acting like a total lech. Playboy. A man who is known for dating many women and living a carefree, luxurious lifestyle. Example: everyone in town knew him as a playboy, always with a different girl at the club. Runaround. Someone who avoids responsibilities or gives false information to avoid doing something. Example: when I asked for a refund, they just gave me the runaround, sending me from person to person. Sneaky link. A secret romantic or physical relationship. Example: they've been having a sneaky link, but no one at work knows about it. Bigot. Someone who is intolerant of others' opinions, beliefs, or lifestyles. Example: he refuses to listen to people of different cultures. He's such a bigot. Dweeb. A socially awkward or nerdy person. Example: in high school, he was a total dweeb, always focused on video games and comics. Rascal. Someone who is mischievous, usually in a playful way. Example: my little brother is such a rascal, always playing pranks on me. Chump. A fool or someone who is easily tricked. Example: I felt like a total chump for believing his lies. Leech. A person who takes advantage of others without giving anything in return. Example: she never pays for anything and always expects me to cover her. She's a total leech. Nitpicker. A person who finds faults in everything, even small details. Example: he's such a nitpicker, he always complains about the tiniest things. Brat. A child or person who behaves in a spoiled, rude manner. Example: her kids are total brats, always throwing tantrums when they don't get their way. Shallow. A person who only cares about superficial things like appearance or money. Example: she's so shallow, she only dates people based on their looks. Pervert. A person whose behavior or thoughts are considered sexually inappropriate. Example: she blocked him on social media because he was acting like a pervert, sending weird messages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.